family are we going to meet today? Charlotte and Zoe's. Charlotte is 6 years old. Zoe is 5 years old. And they're sisters. They live with their mum and dad in a town. I wonder what they're up to today. Charlotte and Dad are in the garden. They're laying out big letters on the grass. I wonder why.
Take off!
What do you think this game's about, Zoe? Ah, she's jumping onto one letter at a time. C first. K.
H.
Now an H.
R.
A, R. I know what she's spelling out. L, and then an O. Oh. Two T's in a row. And the final letter will need a big jump. E. Put them all together and it spells Charlotte.
Zoe, I'm going to do your name on these.
Tell her where she needs to jump, Zoe.
What's that?
Z. Z.
O.
O.
E. Ready?
And finally an E.
Zoe.
Zoe and Charlotte are getting ready to do some baking. Aprons on and all set for action.
Zoe, you've got Mummy's favourite coloured bowl. We need some flour too. Some egg.
Some eggs?
Bananas? I wonder what they're making. In goes a nice big scoop of butter.
Whoa!
Zoe makes sure Mum adds just enough sugar.
It's like... Blah, blah, blah.
And lots of flour.
Wee.
Excellent job, Charlotte.
Way! Is that all done?
It is eggy now.
It's eggy now, is it?
Yes.
It looks like they're making a cake
Wee.
with banana. Mash them until they're nice and gooey. And there's one final yummy ingredient.
Chocolate chip.
Make sure you get all the mixture in the cake tin, girls.
Come out, you naughty mixture. This is making me hungry.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
The banana cake goes in the oven, but Charlotte and Zoe aren't finished yet. They're making play cakes using the bits that fell on the table.
Should I put some of this leftover egg in? Yes, please. Oh, I found some other things on the table we need. Shall we call it off the table cake? I'm just going to get a banana. I bought it from the shops.
Invisible banana.
Ooh, Zoe. It's a bit smelly.
Zoe's giving Charlotte squishy butterfingers.
This is very pleasant. Our eggy bake, shall we call it? Oh, Zoe! It's on the table.
They're making more mess than cakes.
We'll clear out with spoons. Put them in our cupcakes. Oh. These are going to be our cases for the cake. This is fun. So it's ready for the oven now, isn't it? Yes.
But these play cakes don't go in the real oven. They've got a special toy one that doesn't get hot. The real banana cake has finished baking. I bet it will taste delicious. Good job, girls. Charlotte and Zoe are making something using recycled rubbish.
Do you think tape will work better or glue?
Go.
Do you think?
Yes. Do it. Ah.
Sticky glue can get everywhere, even on Zoe's fingers. I wonder what they'll make with all these different bits and bobs.
What are you making? I don't know.
It's a top secret invention.
Yeah, make.
Let's wait and see what it says.
Yes. I'm sticking this spoon like that.
Oh, look! It's kind of like a tube slide.
I know.
A slide. What about something to go down it?
They're marbles.
Yes, those will be perfect.
Hey, first time! Oh, missed that time. Oh, look. Oh, where's it gone?
The marble must be hiding somewhere.
Hello, little ball.
Is it? Look, it was in here.
Oh, there it is. At that end, that's a good idea. Well done.
Charlotte's model is almost finished.
One more and then we're done. Look at my invention!
Wow, what are you going to call it?
Plonky plonks.
Great name, a super marble plonky plonks.
Whee. It's a bit like bowling.
Yay! Well done, Zoe.
What a fun time they've had using bits of old rubbish.
Top. Yay!
Charlotte, Zoe, Mum and Dad are off to the park. I wonder what they'll do.
Look, Zoe, there's blue sky again. We can try and get the blue sky.
They're launching a toy rocket.
Are you ready? Whoa!
Wow, that went really hard.
Do you want to do one like that? Whoa!
The harder you stamp, the higher it goes.
Whee! Go on then, go and grab it.
Zoe has an idea of how to make the rocket go further.
Whoa! Charlotte, do you want to try and catch it?
Yeah.
Give it a go, Charlotte.
Ready?
With a bit of help from Dad.
Get your hands ready in front of you.
Ready? Steady. Whee!
Oh, catching rockets isn't easy.
Where's my bucket?
Charlotte's ready for a tall one.
She's even higher now.
A really tall.
Ready? Steady.
Go.
Oh, almost.
I'm a good one.
How about a swap around?
Zoe, go on the top.
Go! Ready, steady, go! Oh.
Oh, missed. Give it another go, Charlotte.
Right, really big stomp.
You're supposed to catch it, not kick it, Dad. Oh, unlucky, Zoe. It's not easy catching space rockets, but it was fun trying. The banana cake has cooled down and is ready to eat. Charlotte and Zoe's toys are joining them for a picnic.
Zoe, here she is. Thank you.
Zoe's. Daddy's.
Monster piece.
One for Charlotte. That's Charlotte's.
How about some tea to go with the cake, Zoe?
Another key.
Thank you. Can I have my milk first?
It's
Thank you. Well done. Beautiful job.
Ooh, I need a car.
No sugar, thank you. Thank you, Zoe.
Dad's got
Lovely.
his tea. How about Charlotte?
Zoe, please may I have some tea?
Oh dear, Zoe has drunk all the tea.
Is there any tea left for Charlotte?
Have you
No.
poured any in from the teapot?
I have a feeling I'm never going to get a drink.
Don't worry, there's plenty more, especially when it's pretend. Charlotte finally gets a nice cup of tea.
Oh, how lovely.
And now her teddy bear wants some too.
Mm. Yummy. Go. Yup.
And a piece of cake for Teddy. There's plenty of delicious cake for everyone.
What do you think, Charlotte?
Is it a tasty cake?
Zoe, high five. There you go.
Good cake making.
I wonder who we're going to meet next time on Our Family.